What's up guys, it's your girl Kachi here, back in another video. I have really been struggling with my skin lately and it's just not pretty. You can already tell, like, just looking at my skin right now. The other day I used this cream and I don't know what happened, but it left this black mark on my chin. See the sides of my face, black marks, these marks on my face, like, it's just not been cute. I was just on the internet the other day and I was watching a bunch of videos about the turmeric mask and I was reading stuff about it too. And so I remember that back in 2018 I actually used the mask because I got an allergic reaction on my lips to this lip gloss that I was using, and it turned my lips black. And so after I used the turmeric mask on my face and my lips as well, I noticed that a couple weeks later it went back to its normal color and my skin was also looking really nice. And everybody was over here asking me, like, what do you use in your skin? Your skin looks really good. And I'm just like, you really think so? Like, I don't feel like my skin looks that good. But I decided that I'm gonna actually get back to my turmeric mask journey. And since I have all the time in the world during this whole quarantine, I think that it's definitely time for me to get back to taking care of my skin, because honestly I've been really slacking lately. This is definitely the time for me to just start taking better care of it. So yeah guys, let's get into it. Okay, so for this mask I decided to use aloe vera, honey, turmeric of course, and some tea tree oil. My skin's pretty sensitive, so I decided to dilute the tea tree oil and put it in this little bottle I have here. I couldn't find my measuring cup, so I just used my spoon. I know that 1/4 of a cup is 4 tablespoons. Also, last time I did this mask, I only used yogurt and honey, but since I don't have any yogurt, I decided to use aloe vera instead. Hopefully it still works as good as it did before. As you guys can see here, this is how my skin looks on day 1 before applying any of the mask. So I'm just using my makeup remover and removing my eyebrows and any dirt on my face before applying this. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice the tag in the back. Wow, it's kind of embarrassing. Now I'm just taking this old makeup brush that I have and I'm applying the mask to my face, making sure I get all over those dark marks and all those problem areas. So I also made sure to avoid getting it near my eyebrows because apparently turmeric also helps with hair removal. And so if you're like me and you barely have any eyebrows, yeah, let's not get it there, just to be safe. Ew, I look like a monster. Now I'm just rinsing the mask off my face and I'm gonna go in with my exfoliating brush with some African black soap in order to really get the mask out of my skin. Then after I'm done washing my face, I go in with my toner and my moisturizing face lotion that I got from Clinique. So I thought that I recorded myself washing my face, but apparently when I looked at the footage, it wasn't even there. But just know that after I apply the mask that, you know, after I waited 20 minutes, I washed my face with my African black soap and I used my toner and my face moisturizer. Just doing the same thing that I did before. Okay, so I just went to the store and I decided to get some yogurt. Even though we're on day 3 now, I'm just gonna add a spoonful of this.
back like you owe your tax. Owe me 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 back like you owe your tax. Jordan, say what your price. Back like you owe your tax. Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Back like you owe your tax. Jordan, say what your price. Back like you owe your tax. Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Back like you owe your tax. Jordan, say what your price. Back like you owe your tax. Just to back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Jordan, say what your price. Back like you owe your tax. Just to back it up, 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 just to back it, just to back it, just to back it, just to back it. Jordan, say what your price. Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what your price. Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes.
Okay guys, so this is after I washed my face. It is now day 7 of my turmeric mask journey, and so overall, looking at my skin, I mean, I don't see like a big difference. Of course, you know, like of course you're not gonna see like a big difference after only 7 days. I'm gonna just say that I think that if you're gonna do it for a week, you're probably not gonna see much of a big difference. Probably gonna only see like a slight difference, and that's definitely what I would say for, you know, after doing it for a week. I mean, the texture of my skin, it definitely does feel a lot smoother. Like before, it felt like a lot more rough, so I think that it helped making my skin feel, you know, more smooth, like evening out my skin tone, and it helped with like some dark marks, like some of the dark marks on my face, but like it's not like a huge difference when it, you know, like all the dark marks haven't like erased from my face or anything. And there are like a few areas of my face that had pimples, and when I felt like my skin again, it felt like those areas, you know, the pimples were gone. It definitely is doing something, and it definitely did make, you know, an impact to my skin, because, you know, turmeric, it definitely does help with like, you know, evening our skin tone, helping with like marks and anything. I mean, there are some people who said that they've tried it and they don't think that it really did much for them, but I think that like it also has to depend on how long you do it, because, you know, like if you're only doing it for like a week or so, I think that it's not going to be like a big difference or anything. But I think that like if you're somebody who's doing it right now and you've only done it for like a week or whatever, I suggest that you keep going, or even like up to a month, because I've seen that some people have better results after doing it for a month or so. And when I had done it before, when I was telling you guys, I did it on my lips because my lips were really black. I did it for about like 2 weeks, and that's when I was like seeing more results. But I stopped doing it because I felt like I was like, the only reason I don't do the mask for a long time is because I feel like it's staining. This stuff gets everywhere. But yeah, I definitely do think that it works. Like my sister, she was doing it as well, and she has hyperpigmentation. She was doing it longer than me, and so like I definitely was seeing an improvement in her skin. And she even told me too, she thinks the turmeric mask really worked for her skin. So if anything, I do suggest that like if you're gonna do this mask, to keep doing it for a while. For this video, I just want to see like the results I will find in a week. You know, I just want to see like how my skin would look if I tried it for a week or whatever, just for like, you know, for my channel. But I definitely do suggest that if you're gonna do it, try to do it for like a couple more weeks or anything. Everybody's skin's different, so like there are some people who've seen results in only a week, some people who've seen more results in 2 weeks, some people only see results like in a month, you know. But I just suggest that you keep going, don't give up. Like, you know, there's definitely gonna be something out there for you. I understand how a lot of you guys feel too, because like I'm somebody who's dealt with acne for a long time. If you look at my pictures from when I was like 6 years old, you'll see a bunch of pimples on my chin. It's not been pretty, bro. Like I'm always breaking out, and it's so annoying. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Because like for me, I didn't really see like a big difference. Of course, you know, it's only a week, but like I'll see like a slight difference. I don't know. But overall, I do suggest this mask. I think that it really is something that actually is very helpful, and you know, I think it was fun making this video and just trying something new. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.